Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On my screen I have a site that I talked about yesterday in the last video, and today too I'm making another video talking about the same site because it's worth it. So if you are new on my channel, this is the first time you've come across my channel, kindly like the video, consider subscribing to this channel if you are interested in this kind of niche, and at the same time put on the notification bell so that every time I upload any video you'll be notified. And again, to my subscribers, those who have been with me watching my videos, learning through my tutorials, you're welcome. Thank you so much, guys. Yesterday I talked about this app. I did a live withdrawal, and I did everything lively. Like I did how to recharge, how to do the task, and I also did how to exchange or swap the coin to USDT and how to withdraw. I did everything live, so I'm going to tag the video where I did the live withdrawal and the live tutorials on the description of the video. So after you've watched this video, you can go to a previous video, yesterday video, the video before this video. You'll get all the information that you need to know, and I'm also going to put the link of this site on the description of the video, and also on the comment section. I'll pin it there. And again, guys, something that I want you to know, the reason why I'm recording this video again about the same site that I talked about yesterday is that this site started October 2024, that is last year October, until today. It is still working and it is still active. So if you're interested, use the link on the comment section. If you have any question, ask me. I will be there. If I can answer, I will answer. So other things that I may not do all the things, like all the explanation the way I did on the yesterday video. That is why I'm telling you guys, you can watch the yesterday video if you want to know how to recharge, how it works and everything. So right now you can see I withdrew yesterday. I'm going to show you all the withdrawal history. So I'm gonna show you how you will be claiming your VT coin. You can see I have VT coin. I get 2.20 VT coin per hour because I'm in level 1. So I'm gonna show you that. So you have to deposit a minimum of 10 USDT because we have level 1, we have level 0, level 1, level 2, and so on and so forth. But for you to withdraw, you have to upgrade to level 1. You cannot withdraw when you are in level 0. And level 1, the minimal amount you can start level 1 with is $10. That is 10 USDT. So if you want to know how to deposit or how to recharge, watch the previous video, please. So after doing that, the following day you'll go to claim profit. Then you're gonna click on claim profit. So if you click on claim profit, you can see claim profits 52. So every day, if you're in level 1, we have different levels with different profits and amount that you buy it with. So I'm in level 1, so you can see I'll be claiming 52 VET coin every day, and I'm gonna show you how much it worth. This one, how much it worth. So I'm gonna confirm. So you can see the site has started mining again. So I'll be getting 2.20 VT coin per hour, and I'll come back after 24 hours. You can see the countdown is right here. So I'll be getting 52.95 VET coin per day, like that is after every 24 hours. And other ways to get more is to check in every day. So every day you have to come back to your VET or to your VChain app or VChain site to claim your VT coin, and the moment you claim, another account will start again for the following day. So you can see another way you have to check in every day. If you check in every day, you'll be getting you can see here, you'll be getting you can see right here, you'll be getting 0.1 VET coin or VChain coin. So you see I've already done the task, like I already checked in. So you have to tap on that place right there. So once you've tapped on it, check in, then it will indicate like completed, not complicated, sorry about that. And also other ways too, you can see You can go through all this by yourself. And again, you can also go for lucky draw, and it has all its own instructions. So you have to go through the instructions for you to know what should be done and what to not to do in order to get the lottery spin. So another thing that you need to know, guys, you can see the leaderboard right here. We have the leaderboard to mean we have leaderboard, we have team ranking leaderboard, and also we have holding ranking. You can see there here, guys. I'm talking about hold ranking, meaning those who are holding ET coin or VT coin or VChain coin. You can see their ranks. Then we also have ranking for team. Those who have big team, you can see their ranking. So you can see it is real thing, and many people are making money out of it. You can see they also give out airdrops. Let me tap on airdrop to see the instructions that they are gonna give out right there. So let's see. You can see the top 50 players can receive airdrop reward 50. They're gonna get 50, like top 50. That is number 1 up to 50. They're gonna get rewards every week, once in a week. So the airdrop is being held like once in a week. And also on this side of team ranking, you can see it has different instruction. Like you can see, invitation ranking rewards are issued once every 7 days, that is once per week. Rewards are distributed as follows. You can see the first person to fifth person, that is 500 VET. So imagine if you can invite your friends and they also join you, you can get many coin. Remember, if for example you are among the first people, let's say you are among the first to fifth people, and you've been given 500 VT. Let us see how much is that 500 VET. If you want to know, you come to me right here. Me is right here, guys. You come to me is right here. If you tap on me, you'll be able to see all this information right here. You'll be able to see the number of VET coin you have. You'll be able to see the brokerage wallet, brokerage, yeah, brokerage wallet. Then you have recharge wallet. Okay, recharge, let me explain something, guys. You don't understand this, right? Let me help you understand. So a VT, this is where your VT coin are. Then after changing them to USDT, they will be under brokerage wallet. Then when you recharge for the first time, your the money you've recharged will be under recharge wallet. Recharge wallet is right here. So after that, you will come here. When the money is under, when you recharge for the first time, you have to come to upgrade. Upgrade is right here. Upgrade is right here, guys. So if you come to upgrade, you'll be able to see different levels. This is level 1, the one I'm in. You can see it is sold out. Of course, I bought it. And you can see we have level 2. So you have to click on buy it now. After recharging, you have to come to upgrade, then click on buy it now according to the level that you want to buy. You can as well go to other levels. We have many of them. So the more level, the higher the level, or the higher the rank of the level, the higher the money, or the higher the profit. So you can go ahead, click on buy it. Once you buy it, it will be written, or it will be shown here, sold out. So that way you've already subscribed to that certain level, so you'll be earning according to that level's instructions. You can see I'm in level 1, so every day I get 52 ET coin, or VET coin or VChain coin. So for 10 days, that is worth $10. And if you are in level 2, you'll be getting 150 VET coin for 20 days, and the price for that level is $50 or 50 USDT. You can see we have different levels, and with the different prices and different profits for 60 days, for so on and so forth. So you can see, guys, let us see how much is how much is uh how much is 500 ET, and you can withdraw as low as $2 or 2 USDT. That is the minimal amount you can withdraw. So if you want to exchange, you click on VET and USDT right here. If you go under me, you click on VET and USDT for you to exchange or swap. So if you click on it, you can see right here, guys, 1 VET is equal to 0.03 USDT. And if you want to exchange, you just click on all. If you want to exchange everything you have in your wallet, VET wallet, you can put all. If you want to exchange or swap a specific amount, you can just type in, like you can see, 150 50 50 VAT coin is equal to $1.5 or 1.5 USDT. Remember, 1 USDT is equal to $1. So USDT in full is US theta, US theta, US dollar theta, US dollar theta. That is in full. It is a coin. It is a stable coin that can be exchanged into cash. And remember, 1 USDT is equal to $1. So that is why they are showing you here. So for example, if I want to put specific amount that I want to swap into US dollar, I just type in. But if I want to put everything, I just click on all. So if I tap on all the balance will be displayed there. You can see my balance 53 is equal to $1.59. And remember, the minimal amount I can withdraw. So if you want to withdraw, first you have to exchange your VET coin into US dollar, into USDT. Then is when you go to withdrawal. That is when you can withdraw. So I'm going to show you that too. And so let us see. If you are the first among the rankings, you can see the conversion can only be done when you have a minimum of 50 VT coin. You can see right here. So for example, let's say you have 500 VET coin. That is 15 USDT. Imagine, for free. So guys, that is it. That is it that you want to know how to swap. That is how you swap it. So let us go. After swapping the VT coin to US dollar, you come to withdraw right here. If you wanna withdraw, you can also hold. This platform has been there since it was launched. 2024 October. So for me, I know it is still gonna be there. So you have to set your password. For these people, don't set password. No, I already did yesterday, so I don't need to. And the good thing with them, once you withdraw, they will keep that wallet right there. So you don't need to go bring it every time. You can see they have kept mine. So anytime I want to withdraw, I just use the same address. And remember, use BEP20. Okay, you can also use TRC20, but BEP20 is cheaper and it's faster. And when you're withdrawing from other sites, they don't charge you BEP20. So always use BEP20 USDT, BEP20 USDT, okay? BNB chain. Then if you want to withdraw everything, you click on all. Right now, I've not exchanged my VT coin to USDT, so that is why I have 0. So remember, I say the minimal amount you can withdraw is this one. It's $2 or 2 USDT, and you can withdraw up to 1 million USDT. And you have to put in your security password. If you haven't set it, they will bring you the pop-up to set it. Then they won't charge you any fee, 0. In fact, yesterday I was never charged any fee. So I'm going to show you something, guys, so that you can know it is working. So you can also go through all this information written down there. After that, we also have this place of financial record. So this is where you can see how you've been performing so far on the app. So I'm gonna show you this financial records. That is where we are going to see the history even for withdrawal. So you tap on the financial records. If you want to see how you've been earning since, you can see everything right in there. Then if you come to brokerage wallet, I also explained what is that. You can see I exchanged yesterday. I exchanged 82 VET coin, and that was that was is equal to, like, that was, what am I even saying? I'm sorry about that. I exchanged, or I swapped 82 VT coin. That what 2.46 USDT or dollars. you can see right here, and withdrawal deduction, you can see the time I withdrew, and it won't even like it didn't take even 1 minute. It didn't like take 2 minutes. I think it was 1 minute or some seconds or so. And if you're to come to recharge wallet, recharge wallet is where you recharge. You can see the amount you recharge, while you can see the amount you recharge while while recharging or buying account. If you wanted to buy account, so you want to go to withdrawal, where I did a withdrawal. I'm gonna go to me, then there is this place for withdrawal, then I'm gonna click on here. If you want to see withdrawal history, yeah, so I'm gonna click on this to show you the same thing. You can still see everything. It went successfully, guys. It went successfully. You can see it went successfully. And let me show you the notification I got after downloading. I mean after I withdrew. So you can see it here. You can see system message, announcement message. You can see withdrawal successful. We can open to see how everything happened. You can see the time and everything is indicated here. So guys, it means that it is real and it is working and it is good. You can join as early as now. Join any level you are comfortable with, then do the following task: get your money, withdraw every day. If you have any question, you can ask me. And guys, you can see you can also talk to customer care. You can also join Telegram channel for more updates. You can talk to customer care if you have any question or any issue. So I think I've said everything. You can see it has started counting right now. I'm having 0.50 VAT coin, and by the end of the day, by tomorrow, it will be 52. So maybe tomorrow I'll be able to withdraw again, or I'm still gonna hold. So guys, if you want to join, the link is on the description. And again, if you have any question, ask me questions. If I am in position to answer, I will help you or I'll answer you. So guys, another thing, you can also join our WhatsApp group. I'm gonna provide the link on the description, so if you're interested, you can join us. Thank you guys for watching. For now, I have to stop it at the point there where I've reached. And I think I'm gonna upload another video soon, or maybe later in the day. Make sure you watch all the videos. If you want to learn more, this is where we upload legit platforms where I'm doing real tutorials and live tutorials. So guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.